Hi, hello. Welcome to MBA Solutions. I am Manjunath, working as an assistant professor at VVCA, Mysore. In this video, let us discuss what is correlation or how to do correlation using SPSS. Before going into the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive more notifications on these kind of topics. So let us see what is correlation before we analyze correlation. So what is correlation? So correlation tells us the relationship between two or more variables or two or more factors. So whether there is any relationship or not, and it measures the significance of relationship, whether this relationship is important or significant between the variables or it is not so significant between the variables. This will be intimated to you by correlation. It also measures whether the relationship is positive or negative. So correlation will tell whether the relationship is positive or negative relationship. And finally, it tells whether the relationship is weak, moderate, or high. So whether the relationship is weak, moderate, and high. So all these we will try to discuss using data in SPSS. So this is the data which we used for measuring lot of other variables or analysis. Now what we have done is, in the previous video I have mentioned how to identify mean for each and every variable and all the factors. If you have not followed how to analyze or how to calculate mean, you can see the video which I have mentioned the link in the description box. Now there are two variables, that is work-life balance and employee morale. These are the variables where work-life balance is independent variable, employee morale is dependent variable, because we have hypothesized that if work-life balance increases or changes, it impacts employee morale as well, or employee morale will have an impact. So work-life balance is independent, and under work-life balance we have job satisfaction as a factor, time management as a factor, overlapping as a factor, tiredness as a factor, and supportive working condition as a factor. So there are 5 factors under work-life balance, and under employee morale we have leadership, recovery, values, communication, and employee feeling about the organization. And under each factor we have around 3 questions, and all the variables and factors mean we have calculated. Now to check correlation we have to go to analyze. When you go to analyze, you have something called correlate. Go to bivariate, because there are 2 variables which we are going to correlate, bivariate. And when you press bivariate, you will have all the factors or variables in the left hand side like this. Now what you are supposed to do, you have to take the mean value of which variable you want that you have calculated. So let us first try and see what is the relationship between independent variable and dependent variable. So we have independent variable, that is work-life balance. I'll click on that and I'll send that to the right hand side box. And the dependent variable is employee morale. That also I will click and I'll send it to the right hand box. Now this tells that we are correlating these two. Don't worry about all the other settings. Check whether Pearson correlation is checked. It should be two-tailed, not one-tailed. In two-tailed, your significant value or significance level will be more, so that it will give you a bit accurate correlation compared to one-tailed. And you want flag significant correlation also. Now you press OK. When you press OK, the output window of SPSS will get open. Now this is the table which is talking about Pearson correlation. Now how to analyze or interpret this particular table? First we have to see this SIG, it is called significant, and this significant value here should be less than 0.05. That is, confidence level is 95%. That means up to 95% we can say, or we can say that there is a significant relationship. So if it is 0.05 and more than 0.05, that is more than 5%, then we say that there will be no significant relationship between work-life balance and employee morale. Since here in this case it is less than 0.05%, we can say that there is a significant relationship between work-life balance and employee morale. Okay. And if you see correlation, it is like a diagonal mirror. So whatever is there on the first box here will be same here. So you don't have to worry about it. Now this work-life balance mean and employee morale mean we have correlated, and it is showing a significant relationship. Now this value of Pearson correlation, that is 0.475, this tells whether the correlation is weak, moderate or high. If the value is from 0 to 3, if the value is from 0 to 3, we say it is a weak correlation. That means 0 to 0.3. If it is from 0 to 0.3, we say it is weak correlation. If the correlation value or Pearson value is from 0.3 to 0.7, we say it is moderately correlated. And if it is more than 0.7, we say it is high correlation. What does this mean? It means if you increase work-life balance, employee morale also increases. That is what we call positive correlation. So in positive correlation, if you increase the independent variable, dependent variable also increases. If it is a negative correlation, if you increase the independent variable, the dependent variable will decrease. And this particular correlation or relationship is positive and it is moderately positive. Now, if you want to see other factors and how it is impacting the dependent variable, then again go to correlate bivariate, and you want to check what are the other factors, independent factors that we have considered in our work-life balance and how these factors are impacting employee morale. So we have considered 5 factors. So I will select all the 5 factors under work-life balance and I'll send it to the right hand box. Now I am correlating the variable, that is dependent variable, and the factors of independent variable, and all this I am keeping it as same, and I'll press OK. When I press OK, you can see the box here. So it is diagonally mirroring kind of image that we get in SPSS. So if you see the first row here, it is telling you are correlating employee morale mean with employee morale mean. So it will be 1. Then work-life balance, that is job satisfaction mean. Then time management mean. Then we have overlapping mean, tiredness mean, and this is working condition mean. Now if you see here, if you keenly observe here, see here in job satisfaction, yes, there is a significant relationship between job satisfaction and employee morale, but the correlation is weak correlation. It is positive but weak. But if you see this time management, in time management, this factor is not at all significantly impacting the dependent variable. So time management does not impact employee morale because there is no significant relationship. Here also overlapping does not have a significant impact on employee morale. Once it is significant, then only we proceed further and see the Pearson correlation value, otherwise we will not see. This tiredness is impacting employee morale, significant impact is there or significant relationship is there, and here also significant relationship is there with SWC, that is supporting working condition. So only 3 factors are having correlation or relationship between employee morale, and that is this job satisfaction and tiredness and supporting working condition. So this is a positive correlation and it is significant. If it is not significant, we say there is no significant relationship between these variable or these factors with independent variable. So this is how we calculate correlation for dependent and independent variable using SPSS. You can do it for the same for others also. If you want to check whether there is any relationship between all the 5 factors of work-life balance or all the 5 factors of employee morale with work-life balance, that also you can see. But usually we calculate the relationship between independent variable and the dependent variable. If you want to check and cross verify, or if you want to just understand how it works, you can. So now I am relating work-life balance mean with that all the other factors under employee morale. I'll press OK. So you can see here at the end bottom, work-life balance variable and factors of all employee morale, and almost all the factors of employee morale having a significant relationship between work-life balance. But that is not the case with the factors of work-life balance with the employee morale variable. So like this, we have to try to understand and analyze correlation using SPSS. Thank you very much for watching the video.